Welcome, today I'm wearing the HUAWEI Nova Y90 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ring message and notifications volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the right side with your finger this volume button. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first here check in default volume button control that you have selected ringtone, not media, and after that just by press to the up volume button you can also unmute your device ringtone. And we can make it by the third way, just by press up volume button or down and then swipe to the up this white dot on the volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.